The 10-inch wireless backup camera system is designed to make installation straightforward with its digital wireless transmission, connecting the camera and monitor to separate power sources. Equipped with a large 10-inch IPS touchscreen monitor and two high-definition cameras, this system offers an expansive view, ensuring you have a comprehensive understanding of your surroundings. Featuring a dual antenna design and 2.4 GHz digital wireless signal, this backup camera system provides a robust and stable connection, suitable for a variety of vehicles. The system supports up to 4 cameras simultaneously, allowing you to monitor different scenes from the front, side, and rear, eliminating blind spots and easing parking difficulties. With an impressive IP69 waterproof rating and infrared night vision, this camera system is built to withstand extreme weather conditions and provide clear imaging in low-light situations. Incorporating DVR loop recording, this backup camera not only aids in parking and monitoring, but also serves as a driving recorder for added security on the road.